that finger. Because if I was having a crack at you, I'd say you're married.
No. I don't wear lion's heads as a wedding ring.
Can I pull that down?
No.
Really?
For real.
In Australia, they'd let us.
What? What kind of pickup line is that, though?
It's not a pickup line. In Australia, they'd let us.
In Australia, they would let us walk up and talk about warm vagina and touch titties. Like,
they'd let us see it.
You guys are very cute. You're adorable. Can I do what?
oh my god.
Bye, guys.
This is hilarious.
Got the adventures that we get into.
What the fuck is going on in our lives right now? We just got fucking attacked by some Australian tourists.
But what were they talking about?
The warm vagina perfume.
Laughing right now.
They're so full of shit.
You think they're from Australia?
I think they're full of shit. I think they're fucking with us.
Our lives.
Yes.
With the baby, the car seat in the back.
Right. I'm gonna let the girl sit on my lap. What the fuck kind of shit is this?
I think they were fucking around anyway because he kept saying, are we in Beverly Hills? You're nowhere close to Beverly Hills right now, my dude.
I tried to be nice and say, okay, well, let me Google the shit. Like, just to say, okay, maybe you are. Maybe your guys, like, just weak shit that just like to walk for no fucking reason. So, I was gonna help him. And then they just started sounding stupid.
Is Amia?
No.
The fuck is she?
She told me she had to get some shit.
Get into this
I don't know.
shit.
This shit right here is so
white
fucking normal to us.
Crocodile Dundee. Bitch. You're not. No, you're not. You're not.
Love that shit.
You're not. You're not.
Why?
Show me.